Continuous integration is an automated process in DevOps. Which generates software and its features quickly and efficiently. Hi, my name is Imran. Watch this video till the end to have a solid understanding on this process in theory and in practice both. Developers write several lines of code while creating a software. Working in a team, it's an ideal practice to store all this code at a centralized place. This centralized repository is called as version control system, like GitHub. Every day, developers will pull and push code to such repositories several times in a day. So code changes or code commit happens continuously. This code will be moved to build server. On build server, this code will be built, tested and evaluated, which generates the software, or we call it artifact at this stage. This artifact or software will be stored in a software repository. Artifact or software is really an archive of files generated from the build process. Based on the programming language, this artifact will be packaged in a specific format. Artifact packaging format could be var or jar in Java, DLL, exe, MSI in Windows, or even zip or a tarball. From a repository, it will be shipped to servers for further testing. After deploying this artifact on the servers, software testers can conduct further testing, and once they approve, it can be shipped to production servers. So that's how it works, or does it? Let's dig in and find out. These developers are creating a software module and have worked for 3 weeks straight. That's a lot of code, really. Oh sure, you can take some break. Your job's done for now. And as per the process, all this code will be fetched by the build server. And this code is built, tested, and oh boy, lots of errors, bugs, conflicts, build failures. Now developers have to fix all these defects, have to rewrite the code at several places. Lot of rework, really. This could have been much easier if the problem was detected very early in the process. But then code was collected with defects for 3 weeks. And now you have to fix all that. So the code is getting merged into the repository, but not really getting integrated. The solution to this is a very simple and a continuous process. After every single commit from the developers, the code should be built and tested. So no waiting and collecting all these codes with bugs. But then developer commits several times in a day. So it's not humanly possible to do a build and release several times in a day. I mean the manual process. So that's simple, just automate it. So when the developer commits any code, an automated process will fetch the code, build it, test it, and send the notification if there is any failure. As soon as the developer receives a fail notification, he or she will fix the code and commit it again. So again, build and test new changes. If it's good, then it can be versioned and stored in a software repository. And it's all automated. Like this, any defects can be caught as soon as it's merged with the code. Let's see it in a cyclic view. This automated process is called as continuous integration, or CI in short. The goal of CI is to detect defects at very early stage so it does not multiply. IDE is used by developers for coding. These IDE will be integrated with version control system to store and version the code. Build tools based on the programming language. Software repositories to store artifacts. Continuous integration tools that integrates everything.